Okay guys, welcome back. It's your boy Big Dog again. Thanks for watching. I got another video here. This is a video I'm making about because a common question that I get on what is the best screen cleaner for your TV screen. Okay, and as you can see, I have two here. I have actually the best, and I have also the worst thing that you can actually spray onto your television screen. Okay, and we'll start with the worst thing here. This is Windex. People think that use this all the time and think that this is going to clean the screen the best. Actually, this is very dangerous for your screen, and there are actually a couple reasons. The first reason is, as you can see, let me see if I can zoom in on that. As you can see where it says original, it says ammonia. Okay. Now ammonia is very harmful for your screen. If you spray it on the screen, it actually takes some of the, some of the material off of the screen, and you end up with the rainbow colored streaks on the screen that in most cases are permanent. Okay, so it actually eats through the coating of the screen, and yeah, that's very harmful. Now for glass, I don't know, a lot of consumers don't know the difference between plasma and LCD sometimes, so I don't really want to get into that. But plasma television has an actual glass screen. Okay, this may be okay for that. But LCD TVs like I had behind me, or LEDs with the LCD screen, they're soft, it's porous, and so you definitely don't want to do any Windex on here. Now, another reason why this is probably like the worst thing to put on your screen is because people actually spray it on the screen and they actually let it roll down to the bottom of the screen, and it can definitely do some damage to your driver boards up underneath. Okay, and that's another main reason that we don't want to use that. Okay, like I was saying, people actually spray this on the screen, and what happens is the stuff actually rolls down to the bottom of the screen, and that is where your driver boards are located, and it will actually kill the driver boards. Okay. Okay. And like I said, because this has ammonia, especially if you smoke in front of the TV, let's just say you get 2, 3, 4, 5 years of smoke buildup on the screen of an LCD TV, and you happen to spray this on there, that's when it's going to do more harm than good, because all that yellow film on there is going to mix with this ammonia, and you're going to start getting these different color rainbow looking streaks on there, which you probably won't notice when the TV is on, but when the television is off and you walk past it, it's going to look horrible. Okay. Now, this is by far the best glass cleaner for screens that I have ever used. Okay. I've been using stuff for past 10, 12 years. Even those little bottles that they sell that are specifically made for screen cleaner, computer monitor cleaner, and those little bitty bottles, little 8-ounce bottles and 6-ounce bottles, they sell for 18 and 15 and 25 bucks. Even that, this outnumbers that a lot. And the main reason this is the best cleaner for your TV screen is because, number one, it doesn't have any ammonia in it. Okay, do not clean your screen with a product that has ammonia in it. Okay, anytime, especially glass cleaner, because like I said, it would do more harm than good. And number two, where is it? There it is, right there in red. It's a foaming glass cleaner, which means as soon as you spray it on, it will not run down the screen. And also, this is the best cleaner for your television LCD LED screen. Okay, I've been using this for years. As you can see, it foams up. Okay, well, this means it doesn't give it a chance to run down to the bottom of the screen and destroy the driver boards on your TV. Okay, and So they got some more paper towels here. See that dirt there? They got some stuck on stuff here. Looks like they've been taping stuff to the screen. Well, anyway, some of that stuff is glued in. It looks like some glue, or they took something on the screen there. But if I keep doing this, it will eventually take it off. Without me destroying the actual coating on the outer screen. Okay, let's try this again with a not so filthy TV. Like I said, spray it on. Let it sit for a few seconds. Eventually, if you let it sit there too long, it will change into liquid and some of it will drip down. So just be careful. And we got some caked on stuff here. But as you can see, it's doing a fairly good job. Especially if your TV's not filthy like the ones I have here with stuff all on the screen and looks like food, people drinks, or I don't know. But as far as just fingerprints and you know, just like dust or whatever, this is actually the best here. And actually, I'm going to try. I think I can clean this whole screen with all this gunk on it. Wow, that's crazy. The stuff that people put on the screens. Spill on it. Whatever. But I'm pretty sure you get the picture by now. That's absolutely much better, except for this caked on stuff they have on the side here. Which this will eventually take that off if I keep spraying it on there. I know because I use it all the time and I get a lot of TVs in here like that. That people just don't, which is good because people don't know what to put on the screen, so they just leave it alone. Okay, that's you know, that's pretty smart. So you got a few spots in the middle, but and as you can see, it's not going to leave a streak when I get through. Everything's going to disappear. Okay, well, that's pretty much a big difference. And you can also spray this stuff like on the bezel. Just spray it on the rag and on the stand. It cleans pretty good also. At least it did leave that TV covered in plastic, the bezel part anyway, right? So, as you can see, once again, this is the best stuff to buy for your TV screen. It's called Sprayway. Sprayway. You may not find this in like Walgreens or Rite Aid, but you will find it in all major hardware stores, like Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, even Sam's Club. Okay, for individual bottle, it's probably like about $7 or $8, but you can buy packs of 4, like online or Amazon, for about $2 or $3 a bottle. So if you happen to see one of these in the store, walk past it, go ahead and grab you one. Clean your TV screen with it. Does wonders. Alright guys, well hey, thanks for watching, and please make sure that you like the video and subscribe, and Big Dog out.